Okay, last problem, number 11. State the domain and range. The domain is all the x values, and actually I should have put, these should have arrows probably on your paper. Alright, so x values, so if I'm looking at all the x values, I want to know, is this graph going to have an x value? Or where is it going to have an x value? So when x is -3, the graph would be up here somewhere, and the arrow tells us it's going to get there. -5, the graph would be way up here. There would be a point clear up here somewhere. -6, again, there would be a point. If I go the other direction, 3, there's going to be a point. 4, there's going to be a point. 5, there's going to be a point. So the domain on this one is all real numbers, or all numbers, you can say. The range, now we're looking at our y values. So if we start low and we try to find the lowest point, -2 right here is the lowest y value we get. So I'm going to start with -2. And then this tells me that we're going to keep going up and up and up. So we're going from -2 to infinity. That's the infinity sign. Letter B, the domain, we're going to look at our x values. This one's different because this one does not have arrows on it. Okay, so -3, if we look at -3, there are no points on -3. -2 is where our first point is. So our domain starts at -2. -1, there's a point, 0, and all the numbers in between. 1, 2, 3, 4. It stops at 5. 6 does not have a point. So -2 to 5 is our domain. And our range, our lowest value, so now we're going up and down. Our lowest point is here, and if I look at the y value, it's -3. And if I go up to my highest point, which is here, that y value is 1. So that's the domain, and that's the range.